Hey, let's talk about lights today. I'm going to show you the halogen bulbs with LED bulbs in the daytime and in the nighttime. Here you can see the reverse lights in the daytime, brake lights in the daytime, and pulsing the brakes to blink them. Looks alright, not bad, adequate. Open the trunk lid and you will find your bulbs easily accessible. Let's focus on the driver's side as the air filter housing makes this a tight fit. The battery side is much easier to put your hands in and change the bulbs. That's the turn signal, reverse underneath, and right over here is the tail light. In case you get confused which is which, this is what it looks like on the outside. Reach in and turn the bulb socket counterclockwise and it will pop out. Push the bulb in, twist it out, and put it aside. Grab your bulb replacement, halogen or LED. I'm using LED. Pop the bulb back in the same motion, pushing in and rotating to click into place. Put the socket back and twist the lock. As you can see, there's not much space for me to get this bulb out between the light and the air filter housing. It's tough to get it out. I think you can do it if you flex it just enough, but it's really not worth the hassle. It's much easier to do this. Get a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 3 screws on the outside of each light housing. Undo the screws and your light housing will pop right out. Look at that. Easy access to the bulb. Take the bulb out. Oh wait, I'm not doing my turn signal. Take out the reverse light and replace the bulb like earlier. Push in and twist. I'm not sure what happened here, but my GoPro went into time-lapse mode, but just reverse your steps and put the housing back in. Here I left the halogen bulbs in the left and LED bulbs in the right for a daylight comparison. You can tell the LEDs are slightly brighter in the daylight. They look about the same, maybe slightly brighter, not that noticeable. But here they are at night with the same halogen on the left and LED on the right. You definitely notice a huge difference here now between the two. You can even see the halogen reverse light fade out. That's pretty cool. You can see the quick responsiveness of LED bulbs, how there's no delay or fade when I press the brakes and let go. This is what the halogen reverse bulbs look like in complete darkness. This is what the LED reverse bulbs look like in complete darkness. Let's take a step back and see what these bulbs look like on both sides. Very bright. Ugh. I'm not sure why my GoPro looks like this with the lens flare, but lens flare equals bright. That's how it works, right? Seems legit. Well, that's it for today. A simple and cheap mod for better visibility. Cost is about $25 for the 4 bulbs, and installation should be under 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more content.